Oh, hey guys, Amateur Law Prof here. Quick note, yesterday's post was recorded before a whole lot went down in the Abrego Garcia case, even though it posted later in the day. News moves fast, especially when you have a good judge who knows how to move fast in response to urgent human rights issues. So, here's the recap. DOJ had dangled Costa Rica if Abrego Garcia pleaded guilty, Uganda if he fought it. He said no. His lawyers knew Costa Rica would take him as a refugee without a guilty plea. So it's kind of a no-brainer to tell them to pound sand. He was arrested during his 6:45 a.m. check-in with ICE. The habeas was filed shortly after he was taken into custody, and Judge Xinis set a status conference for 2 p.m. Eastern that day. Now, you know it's important if a federal judge is willing to drop everything to hear the matter immediately. At the hearing, Judge Xinis called out that kind of deal was likely unconstitutional. It was reported to the criminal court he'd been sent to Uganda for choosing trial, and she said the government cannot condition relinquishment of constitutional rights in that regard. That doesn't sound like due process, because it isn't. She also said that this was evidence of bad faith, stating, and there's going to be some omissions in the middle here where it doesn't matter, there's been no assurances from Uganda, in contrast to what assurances Costa Rica gave. At least at this juncture, I have nothing that demonstrates that the government is operating in good faith. Judge Xinis then laid down the law, literally and figuratively. And I love this quote. Your clients are absolutely forbidden at this juncture to remove Mr. Abrego Garcia from the continental United States. She also ordered he stay put in Virginia so he can reach counsel. The hilarious part is her follow-up, like the DOJ was a toddler. I'm going to take it from you, as an officer of the court and on behalf of your clients, that there is the fullest intent to abide by those orders. Is that accurate? She forced him to answer that it was accurate. Judge Xinis saw this for what it was. This wasn't due process. This was a hostage letter in the form of an administrative ICE warrant. Until next time.